Have you ever wanted to watch Netflix on one device while your family enjoys it on the other? Maybe you're struggling with how to share your account without any hassle. So don't worry, we got you covered. Keep watching to find out how to use Netflix on two devices and enjoy your favorite shows together. So first, you're going to check if you have a Netflix plan that supports streaming on multiple devices. The standard and premium plans let you do this. Next, make sure that both devices are connected to the internet and logged into your Netflix account. It's simple, just open the app on both devices. Third, choose different shows or movies on each device. So Netflix is going to let you stream different content on each screen, all right? Now, for better performance, make sure that your internet speed is fast enough for both devices to stream smoothly. It's a necessity. Lastly, if you need to switch between devices, just pause the show on one and play it on the other. Netflix will remember where you left off. So now you can enjoy your Netflix without any interruptions. If this helped, leave me a like, comment your favorite Netflix show. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.